Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the PSAT. This is Chapter 10, Lesson 60. Today we tackle 5 more word pairs that sound alike but do different jobs. Mix them up and your sentence means the wrong thing. So let's take them one clean contrast at a time with a memory trick for each. First pair, the famous one. It's versus its. Its, with no apostrophe, is the possessive. It shows that something belongs to it. The dog wagged its tail. But its with an apostrophe is only ever short for it is. It's nearly noon. So here's the trick. If you can swap in it is and it still makes sense, use the apostrophe. If you can't, it's the possessive its. Let's see the test in action. It's nearly noon. Expand it. It is nearly noon. That works, so the apostrophe is right. Now, the cat licked its paw. Try expanding. The cat licked it is paw? That's nonsense. The paw simply belongs to the cat, so it's the possessive its, no apostrophe. Expand to it is, and the sentence tells you which one you need. Next pair, lay versus lie. Lay means to put or place something down, and it always needs an object, a thing you're laying. Lay the map on the table. The map is the object. Lie means to recline or be positioned, and it takes no object at all. Grandpa likes to lie on the porch swing. Nothing is being placed. The memory hook. You lay a thing down, but you yourself lie down. Pair 4. Learn versus teach. These point in opposite directions. Learn means to receive knowledge, to take it in. We learn fractions in math class. Teach means to give knowledge, to hand it out. Ms. Ito will teach us chess. So the student learns and the teacher teaches. If knowledge is coming in, that's learn. If it's going out to someone else, that's teach. Receive versus give. Last pair, formally versus formerly. Formally, with an A, means in a proper, formal way. The treaty was formally signed at noon. Formerly, with the ER, means in times past, before. This gym was formerly a warehouse. The trick is hiding inside the word. Formerly contains former, and former means before. So formerly always points back to an earlier time. Now let's practice all 5. In this first set, pick the word that best completes each sentence. Think about the memory trick for each pair before you choose. Pause and try each one before I answer. The puppet shook blank head as if to say no. Try expanding to it is. The puppet shook it is head? That's nonsense. The head belongs to the puppet, so we need the possessive its, no apostrophe. So the answer is its. I asked the nurse if I could blank down for a minute. Is anything being placed? No, the person just wants to recline. There's no object, so we use lie. Lay would need a thing to put down, so the answer is lie. My mother was blank, a teacher, but now she works at home. The sentence is about an earlier time, what she used to be. Former means before, so formerly fits. Formally would mean in a proper way, which makes no sense here. So the answer is formerly. 3 more. Same plan. Recall the trick for each pair, then pick the word that fits. Pause and try each one. Ms. Vega, our best teacher, loves to blank children. Is knowledge coming in or going out? She gives it to the children, so that's teach. Learn would mean she receives it, so the answer is teach. We will wait until blank time for the dance. Try expanding to it is. Until it is time for the dance. That works perfectly, so we need the contraction it's with the apostrophe. So the answer is it's. My aunt asked me to blank sheets over the furniture. Here there's an object, the sheets, and they're being placed onto the furniture. Placing a thing means lay. Lie takes no object, so the answer is lay. Let's wrap up. It's shows possession. It's is short for it is, so expand to it is to test it. Lay means to put a thing down and needs an object. Lie means to recline and takes none. Learn is to receive knowledge. Teach is to give it. And formerly, which contains former, means before, while formally means in a proper way. 5 pairs, 5 quick tricks. Great work.